Today, I'm working on tearing down this 2002 YZ250 motor. On my last ride, the bike got stuck in fourth gear. So something's up with the trans. Not sure exactly what, but you can see here, no matter what you do with the shifter, just stuck in fourth. Did notice some hairline cracks here around the counter shaft. So we're gonna see if that's just on the surface or if that actually goes through into the case. I'm betting it doesn't. Hopefully it's just some bent shift forks or a broken shift drum, something like that. Once we get inside, we will see. So I got the side cover and the clutch off, and you can see here the shift drum is limited on movement. So it looks like I definitely got to split the cases. Just picked up this Tusk case puller. This will be the first time I'm using one of these things. I'm sure it will make splitting these cases a lot easier. Well, finally figured out what was taking so long. On these 250s, there's two bolts down inside the timing cover that I totally forgot about. So once I got those bad boys out, these cases split like butter. Definitely worth the 70 bucks for this tool. Okay, finally got the cases apart here. When I did, this little dowel fell out. So now, got to figure out where that came from and what needs to be replaced. So once I got the cases open, I found some damage here where one of the shift forks rides, and that little dowel belongs to this power valve actuator. So time to order some new parts and get this thing back together.